What's up, guys? Today we're going to look at the 5 best fitness trackers on the market for this year. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Fitbit Charge 5. The Fitbit Charge 5 is a noteworthy fitness tracker that offers several compelling features typically found in more expensive devices. One standout feature is the inclusion of an ECG heart rate monitor, which provides users with valuable insights into their heart health. This is a valuable addition for individuals who want to monitor their heart rate more closely, especially during workouts or to detect irregularities. The device's bright and always-on color touchscreen is a significant improvement over its predecessor, the Charge 4. It enhances visibility, even in bright sunlight, making it a practical choice for outdoor activities like hiking or HIIT workouts. However, some users may find the lack of physical buttons slightly cumbersome, particularly when navigating during running sessions. Another noteworthy feature is the Daily Readiness Score, which helps users gauge their readiness for intense workouts. This score considers various metrics, including fitness fatigue, heart rate variability, and recent sleep patterns. It empowers users to make informed decisions about their exercise routines and avoid overexertion. The Fitbit Charge 5's aesthetic appeal, combined with its practical features and competitive pricing, makes it an attractive option for fitness enthusiasts. Additionally, as the Charge 6 is set to release, potential buyers may find discounts and promotions for the Charge 5, making it a compelling purchase. Overall, the Fitbit Charge 5 is a solid fitness tracker that offers valuable health insights, a user-friendly interface, and a sleek design, making it a great choice for individuals looking to enhance their fitness journey. Number 2. Fitbit Inspire 3. The Fitbit Inspire 3 stands out as an excellent budget-friendly fitness tracker that excels in delivering fundamental fitness features. It covers the essentials, including heart rate monitoring, accurate workout tracking, and the ability to log sleep stages effectively. While the absence of built-in GPS is a minor drawback, users can connect the device to their smartphone's GPS for outdoor activities. What sets the Inspire 3 apart is its focus on building a supportive fitness community. Fitbit's platform encourages users to engage in challenges, competing with friends, colleagues, or even strangers to motivate themselves to achieve fitness goals. This social aspect can be a powerful motivator for individuals seeking to improve their fitness levels. Priced at $100, the Fitbit Inspire 3 offers several appealing features, including active zone minutes tracking, an impressive 10-day battery life, convenient touch controls, and a significant upgrade from the Inspire 2 in the form of a bright and vibrant AMOLED screen. While the tracker itself is available in black, it comes with 3 different band color options: black, lilac, and morning glow, catering to individual style preferences. The wristbands also come in 2 sizes, ensuring a comfortable fit for all users. One of the standout aspects of the Inspire 3 is its lightweight and comfortable design, making it suitable for continuous 24/7 health tracking. The addition of a color screen enhances its overall feel, adding a touch of premium quality to the device. For those in search of an affordable fitness tracker that offers substantial value, the Fitbit Inspire 3 is a top choice. Its ease of use, robust feature set, and supportive fitness community make it a compelling option for individuals looking to monitor and improve their fitness journeys. Notably, it received recognition as the best fitness tracker in the 2023 Tom's Guide Fitness Awards, solidifying its reputation as a standout device in its category. Number 3. Amazfit Band 5. The Amazfit Band 5 emerges as an attractive budget-friendly fitness tracker, priced at $50. Yet boasting a range of noteworthy features typically associated with premium smartwatches. This affordable device packs several functionalities, making it an appealing option for users seeking comprehensive health and fitness monitoring. Key features of the Amazfit Band 5 include blood oxygen, SPO2, reading, stress monitoring, high heart rate alerts, built-in Amazon Alexa for voice assistance, sleep tracking, and a variety of other tools commonly found in higher-priced offerings. While the fitness and sleep tracking performance of the Amazfit Band may not reach the pinnacle of excellence, it delivers respectable results, especially considering its cost. One of the standout attributes of this fitness tracker is its impressive 15-day battery life. Users can enjoy extended usage without the constant need for recharging, enhancing the convenience of daily wear and tracking. Overall, the Amazfit Band 5 balances affordability and functionality, offering users a range of valuable health and fitness features at a fraction of the price of premium smartwatches. It may not deliver top-tier performance, but it provides a compelling option for individuals looking to monitor their well-being without breaking the bank. Number 4. Fitbit Sense 2. The Fitbit Sense 2 represents Fitbit's premium smartwatch offering, surpassing the Versa line in terms of advanced health and wellness features. Our testing experience with the Fitbit Sense 2 revealed its ability to provide a comprehensive overview of overall health, making it a valuable companion for users looking to prioritize well-being. Compared to its predecessor, the original Fitbit Sense, the Sense 2 boasts significant improvements in design, interface, and its ETA, electrodermal activity, sensor. Notably, the ETA sensor, now referred to as SATA, continuous ETA, plays a pivotal role in enhancing the device's capabilities. This sensor continually monitors stress levels and heightened responses throughout the day, actively engaging users in mood monitoring through body response notifications. The Fitbit Sense 2's compatibility with both iOS and Android, coupled with features such as onboard GPS, a native app store, and integration with Amazon Alexa, positions it as not only one of the best fitness trackers, but also an exceptional smartwatch. Fitbit has evolved beyond step tracking, and the Sense 2 exemplifies its commitment to delivering comprehensive health and smartwatch functionality to users. Number 5. Garmin Forerunner 265. Garmin has established itself as a leading manufacturer of sports watches, and the Forerunner 265 emerges as a standout choice among its offerings. This mid-range Garmin running watch, recently introduced, boasts a vibrant AMOLED screen that delivers excellent visibility, even under direct sunlight. In our testing, we were particularly impressed by the Forerunner 265's lightweight design, making it comfortable and convenient to use during runs. Notably, this watch introduces triathlon and multi-sport modes, enabling comprehensive training tracking within a single session. The availability of two different sizes, 42mm and 46mm, adds versatility to cater to individual preferences. We tested the smaller variant and found it to be sleek and unobtrusive on the wrist. Like other top Garmin models, the Forerunner 265 offers the capability to download Garmin's training plans directly to the watch, facilitating smarter running and racing. Furthermore, it incorporates several premium Garmin features, such as the morning report and training readiness score, providing valuable insights into overall health. For those looking to maximize value within a budget, the Garmin Forerunner 255 is worth exploring as well. While it shares similarities with the Forerunner 265, it remains a compelling choice, particularly for those who can forego the AMOLED screen. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.